Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I will tell you how the price of crude has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of crude can move in the next 2 days. If you look at the chart of crude, what you can see that the price of crude currently trading at around 105.70. Okay, and if you have seen my previous video, I've already told you that there is a probability that there is a swing is there and probability of going down will be there. Okay, as you can see from March we have seen already a new high, and after that we have seen a U pattern was forming. Before that what we have seen, there is a continuous fall, and I have already told you that if you look at the weekly chart, there is a probability whenever it goes high it has made a continuous fall. You can go and check on the weekly chart. I have shown you my weekly chart where you can clearly check. Okay, before we move forward, if you have any doubt regarding crude or any other commodities, forex, mail us at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com or a mail ID I have given in the description. Please watch the full video, then you will understand how this technical in crude and other commodities are working. And if you wish to join my Telegram channel, link I have given in the description, you can join. See, now suppose if the price goes below this level, what we can see, it can go further down towards a level of $102.71, and if the price goes below that level, then we can see it can touch a level of 101.50. Suppose if the price goes below that level, then we can see it can go further low towards a level of $99, and from there we can see it can move further low towards a level of $95. Okay, suppose if the price goes below that level, then we can see it can move further down towards a level of $93. Okay, and if it goes below that level, a probability of going towards a level of 88 will be there, and once if it goes below a level of 88, then we can see it can move further down. Okay, and what we can see below 88, that there is a probability of, because this range will be moved out, and since March it has, the low was around 93. Once this 93 caused downside, a probability of going towards more further down from 88 to 83 and then further down. Okay, but suppose if the price sustain this particular level, what we can see, suppose if the price sustain this particular level, currently trading at around 105.92. okay, then there is a probability that it can go further high towards a level of 107.51, and from there we can see it can move further high towards a level of 108. Suppose if the price goes above that level, then we can see it can move further high towards a level of 109, and if that level goes upside, a probability of touching a level of 111 will be there, 0.50. okay, once if it goes above this level, then we can see, I have already told you that if the price goes above a level of 1112.8, then probability will be high. We can see it can move further high towards a level of $115.78 if it goes above a level of 112 and sustained. So once if it goes above a level of 115.78, then we can see there will be a pattern forming and probability of will be there. We can see it can move further high towards a level of $120, and from there we can see it can move further high towards a level of $123. okay, once if it goes above this particular level, $123.65, then we can see it can move further high towards a level of 126.40, and from there we can see it can move further upside towards a level of 129.60, and then we can see it can move further upside. Okay, because I have already told you that once it make another swing, we can see it can move further upside. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me, and I have already explained you, if you are trading, you have to be very careful because most of the people lose money in trading. Okay, suppose if you are trading with $10,000, try to trade with 10 to 15% of capital per trade. Okay, that is 1000 to 1500. Now understand something, 1500 and risk 0.5 to 1% per trade, that comes to $150 to $100. If you take 5 trades also, you know your risk is maximum will be $500. okay, so suppose if you lose $500 in a day, exit the trades for the day. Now the next day you can focus more on profit rather than recovering that particular loss. Okay, so once you will be psychologically more better compared to if you have made a loss of 5,000, because more people lose, but they lose so much money, then they try to recover that particular amount, which in turn lose their full capital. Okay, this is what they do. What I teach in my workshop, that how to overcome all these problems and how to strategize when you trade. Okay, If you want to attend my workshop, mail me regarding that and we can work out on the timing. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please go thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe.